How to create professional party flyer on Microsoft Word. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create party flyer on Microsoft Word in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do guys is go to Microsoft Word, the first thing. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go to the top here and click on flyers. Choose flyers, and now it will take you to this page, and here you will find many flyers. Go to the search, you can search for party, or you can just go down and you will find some parties as you can see right here. For example, this one, it's a party. Okay, now choose the one that you want and click on it, and then go here, click on create and change the name. You can edit everything here, how to media, change the date, you can change the date to anything, and change the time and the price right here. It's very easy to edit as you can see. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end.